Hello, my name is Frank Albers. I'm probably also known as Falbers in the FPV chat Slack channel. A lot of people have been asking me many details on how to create good videos out of your drone videos and what to do to post them to YouTube and get high quality videos. So I'm gonna do this series on how to do it using Vegas Pro. It's pretty cheap compositing package, but it is very powerful. You can do a lot of things that you need to make really nice videos. So we're going to be handling several topics. I'll probably add some more to them, but these are kind of the main topics that I have in mind. Is putting up your project, putting up all the settings so that we can start going with editing. The next topic will be RGB color space, which is very important. I see a lot of people posting videos where they clip a lot of information, a lot of dynamic color information of the video that you could use and show better. Then compression settings and file formats. Trying to choose the best ones to send to YouTube so that you have high quality videos with little or no compression artifacts. Then after that we'll go into how we can enhance the existing footage to make it look a little bit better. Then I will also add on how to add stabilization, not specifically motion stabilization of how you fly, but more specifically the small shakes like wind and how to get rid of those while you actually keep your real motion of flight still in there. And at the end also some editing tricks. I'm not sure which ones yet. That's more like the artistic part of it. So mainly I am going to show technical solutions, and the artistic element of the whole thing of editing your videos, that's pretty much all up to you. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you will learn something out of this, and good luck.